Alright guys, well you asked for it. What are we doing today?
So today we're gonna go to the Subaru dealership and get an oil change on Hondaru. So for those of you guys who don't know this car, this is a K-Series Honda engine in a 2004 Subaru STI. Still all-wheel drive. So I guess today we're just gonna try to see what reactions we can get from, so Subaru's right there, right down the street. So.
And we're actually at the Toyota dealership because we have a little surprise under the hood that we have to get going before we drive over there.
So we're hoping that the first thing they do is open up the hood. They're looking at the motor, they really don't see the GoPro, but eventually they're gonna see it, you know, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start the GoPro and then take it right down to the Subaru dealership, which is just down the street, and go in there, ask for an oil change, see if we can get one on it, see how they react to it.
It's gonna be
just
fun.
Go from there, we're just gonna wing it.
Yeah, we also got the tires in the back too that a fan sent to us. Thanks again, Chris. And yeah, so we're gonna try to get those put on too while we're there. You ready to go?
He's ready.
Let's do it. Where do we even pull it in at?
I don't even know where to go.
I guess it says service there.
We do need some service.
Yeah, let's just go there. Oil change?
Follow you guys on
sick,
this,
bro.
dude. This
Yeah.
thing is sick. No way.
You're not supposed to know. No, I'm just kidding.
It kind of sticks out of the road.
I watch you guys. Like,
How
all
much
the time.
power you got on it, bro?
It's like just under 500.
Sick. I was always wondering where you guys are at.
We're here, man. Came to get an oil change.
Sick.
Is it an aftermarket motor?
Stock motor. Honda.
I'm so excited to see this in person, man.
Alright guys, so we made it in. We're pulling the Hondaru around. And they said it was cool if we go back and watch.
Oh yeah.
But she made it past the front desk.
They were definitely like, what the hell is that?
No one said anything weird though.
You can just tell. In their
A couple
faces.
kids were checking it out though, and that one knew who we were, but
Yeah, yeah.
I thought they were gonna come recording. Is it promo grab? Yo, that's the. What? That's crazy. How the fuck did they do that adapter plate? That's fucking legit, honestly. Fucking launch for days. They're gonna charge for sure. Bro, that's it. I saw it saying up there.
This car's been all over the internet.
I thought you had the GoPro and fucking.
That's so cool.
All-wheel drive?
It has a STI trans in it.
No, I really didn't know that. I was like, what the fuck?
That's fucking sweet. Whose car is it? The guy on the phone.
Alright.
I've seen this thing all over the
Let me know about this.
That's pretty,
Yeah, I like
pretty fucking unique, honestly. I'm amazed it fit as well as it did.
No, not that one, so.
I read K2 and I was like, I looked up and I was like, oh, there it is.
That's fucking cool. That probably is a lot of work.
They don't know where the fuck to change the oil.
This is fucking really cool.
Will you use that for it?
What? Damn, I can't even drive for it.
Fuck it, let's go.
And speedometer to work. The only thing that doesn't work is the temperature gauge. But we're gonna hook that up too.
That's fucking really
But it
cool,
all works,
honestly.
yeah.
That's awesome. So, right on, man.
Thanks, man.
that guy definitely was digging it.
That dude. You've never seen something like that, bro.
So they just had the Hondaru on a different lift, but we had to move it over here because we forgot we were trying to get the tires mounted as well. We got all the tire stuff over there.
Oh, I see what you're saying about the pan. Yeah, we gotta set people.
sideways and then it leans or whatever, usually it leans towards this side.
Yeah.
But since it's straight right now, like the oil just sits right here. Because you see where the drain is? See where the drain is? So like, yeah, so I gotta pump it out.
Yeah, that's what happened. All-wheel drive, yo.
Yeah, so we're gonna drill a hole here and just put another drain plug right there, so that way it's just, it'd be easy. Yeah.
Not bad, that's smart.
Yeah, we were actually supposed to do that before we came, but didn't have enough time.
Well, the Honda filters and the Subaru filters are the same, but I don't know if the pressure drops. And if it does, it'd be like a PSI or two. But I want you to let me know because I always throw them in my shit.
Oh yeah.
And I'm like, since they're stock cars, it's not
I think
gonna
it's the
fucking make a
same thing,
difference.
but yeah, I always keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
You're gonna put
They're
a Subaru oil filter on it?
I always do on my Civic. Same. It's the only thing I do. I just am like, here, it's the same fucking thread. But if the
JDM though. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. Just different stamp.
well, they're a little different, but not too much. Just I think it's just the top part, like the way, because it indents right here on the Honda one. But I think the same people make them.
She's getting a Subaru oil filter.
Well, that'll be my in for the Subaru Fest tomorrow. I'll be like, look, it has a Subaru oil filter. Let me in. There's my ticket right there, dog.
And what? And then you like, oh, I'm sorry.
Honda. Oh.
Honda's making a mess.
I know. And I just cleaned my floor too. I made a mess. He was holding the hose.
All over you too.
Yeah. Yeah, because it was pointed like this, and then it like slipped out and went over.
Then he did it again.
And then I did it again. I thought I had the hose pointing down.
We gotta get that drain plug put in there.
I think I got most of it. I just don't know where the trap door is, so I might not
So he's actually using
It's
like
like
a
back here.
scavenge pump right now to get the rest of the
As long
oil
as it
out,
hits the
'cause we
back
need to
here.
put a bung on this side of the pan because the way the motor's tilted, all the oil pulls up on this side. It drains most of it, but there's still probably a good quart left stuck right here. Getting some new shoes.
Yeah. Clean up the Brembos while the rims are off.
Got the new street tires.
Damn, they look fresh, dude. They're wider too. 235 instead of the 220.
Maybe help that 60 foot.
We're trying to, you know what I'm saying? Get like a 1.5. We'll see.
I love when people build shit. I love that shit.
I hate the people that hate.
You guys should have like a K option up there.
K-series in there, I like it.
Yeah, we went to the lobby and they were sitting down with one of the salesmen. We're like,
Get the K swap.
yeah, like get the K swap.
K-swap, get the K-swap. What about an H22 or something? We could do all kinds of options.
All right.
No, K's the thing right now.
K's
K's an all-wheel drive, and you already have the all-wheel drive part.
And the K.
And the K.
That's the best part, the STI trans and the Brembos. That's fucking amazing.
Hell yeah. Stick speed.
Launches all day long on this.
Hey, I gotta bluff out the match you. Yeah. It's that new HK.
You got an STI?
Yeah, I have same year. I have a
Oh,
blue
yeah?
one, yeah. I'm building them as well.
How many motors have you gone through already?
I'm on my first one right now. I've had it for a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still original motor?
I just fucking blew the head gasket in it, but yeah, it's the original motor.
Oh, okay. There it goes. I knew something was going to be wrong with it.
It's been a fucking
No, just
hassle.
kidding.
It's a fucking Subaru, dude. I'll fucking work on them. I know how it goes.
But they wanted to give me
So cool. I'm amazed by it.
This is what you need to do, man. Get that K option.
Well, maybe it'll still be a 2.5
Be
liter.
fucking more reliable, probably.
Pour it out.
Everyone's like, that's how you make a Subaru less reliable. It's in really good
More reliable.
Honestly, more. Yeah, it's a fucking Honda. It'll run forever.
alignment.
She's getting the works over here.
That'll help the 60 foot too, actually.
Yeah.
If it was off,
It has
it makes
to be
the car roll easier.
off. Has to be a little off.
I mean, yeah, I did it in the driveway.
Did it by
Watches is
my
perfect.
eye.
My eyeball's perfect. What would you say?
I'd give you $100 if it was perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, I want to see how off the alignment is because I did this in the driveway and just eyeballed it.
If you got it even remotely close, I'll give you props.
It drove pretty good.
Pretty close. Cause at first, like the wheels were just like in, yeah, and any bump I went over, it was just like,
Dude,
it
no, just
felt
driving
weird.
straight, you could hear it like chirping.
Yeah,
It's like,
just driving straight. But then afterwards, it's been driving fine.
It's actually not too far off.
It's not too bad. Don't even point that at me. You said perfect.
Hey, I was just
Is it
saying
perfect?
Not perfect.
Okay, that's cool. You do your thing then.
Hey, not too far off. We're eyeballing.
I'm going for the, no, not perfect.
No, it's not that bad. I've seen worse.
I'll take it.
I see some red.
All I know is it was way worse than that.
Yeah,
For some driveway stuff, you got it.
I'll give you a
was
little bit
horrible.
of props. I'll give it to you. I mean, it made it to Nebraska on your alignment, so it did pretty good.
myself.
Just pat yourself on the back.
Thanks, bro.
Good job. So she's good now, huh?
Oh yeah, bro. Hey, you're gonna cut that off, right? Video? You're gonna cut that off? Oh, let's put some stickers on his face. Oh, Diego!
Clutch. How's it feel to drive a real car?
How's it feel to stall?
trying to say.
Dude, I'm just kidding. I'm just sarcastic. I don't really mean anything that I say. It's just funny because other people, they're so serious about it.
Big thanks to Diego for getting her hooked up over
Yeah, I
here.
appreciate it, man.
Subaru.
Let me try. Ginger.
He's ginger for today because the Hondaru splooged all over him. He had to change his jacket.
Well, yeah, I got some new shoes. She's ready to go. Oh yeah.
Well, now you know. We can bring the Hondaru
Right.
to the Subaru dealership.
Now my name's in the
Get
system.
your oil change, do alignment, tires, brakes. It's all good. We can do everything.
Rebuild them. Steering wheel straight.
They serviced her.
Yeah, man. They took care of her.
I think a lot of them were definitely pretty interested in it.
Yeah. They liked it.
Yeah, we didn't know what kind of reactions we were gonna get, but
We didn't really get any hate.
yeah, they all seem to love it over
They're
there.
like, damn.
They got the oil changed.
Yeah.
We have a Subaru oil filter on there now. Apparently they fit Honda motors. Who knew?
I mean, the oil pressure is good.
She has a new set of
Solid.
tires,
Yep.
fresh alignment.
The wheels straight now.
She's ready to go.
Brand new car though.
I was also thinking about bringing the Rousey to a Honda dealership and seeing how they react to that as well, if you guys did like this video. I mean, also, we could technically bring this as well.
We'll bring them both.
Yeah, because it has the Honda motor. We brought the Hondaru to the Subaru dealership. Now we could bring it to a Honda dealership as well. So, but yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching.